Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install and create Vue.js project on your Windows. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed. So just go to any browser and if you now search for Node.js, here you can see nodejs.org. So you can download Node.js from here, and I'd always recommend to download the most LTS on, the latest LTS on. So download and installation is very simple. So I hope Node.js is installed on your device, and whether you have Node.js installed or not, you can check it by going to the Windows search option right over here, CMD. Click here and you could just write over here Node-B and press enter. It will showing the Node.js version. It means Node.js is installed on your device, and once you have Node.js installed, it means you are ready to create your Vue.js project. So now we can just close this, and let me just go to my folder, and let's say I want to create a Vue.js project over here. So for it, I'm going to click at the top and right over here CMD, then press enter, and let me just zoom in, and here we're going to write npm create byte at the rate of latest. Then we're going to give out project name. Let's say project name will be my Vue project. You can name it anything, and then press enter, and it will ask which framework would you like to use. We need to choose over here Vue, then press enter, and you can choose this by using the up and down arrow key, as you can see. So here we need to choose javascript, press enter, and there you go, our project creation is successful, and here you can see the project. So now we need to go to the project directory and install some packages, and we need to run the project. So I'm just going to show you the simple process. Let me just close this, and this is the Vue project. Let's go inside, and here we're going to say CMD, press enter, and then here you can see we're in the project directory. We need to say over here npm install, press enter. So this will install some or download some necessary package for this project. It will take some time. Right now I'll just pass for the video and it is done. So now we need to say over here npm run dev, press enter. So this command will run our project. So now we can just copy this and go to our browser, paste it here, press enter, and there you go. This is our Vue project that we just created. Here you can see byte plus Vue. So this is how you can install and create Vue project. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe. I hope we'll see you in the future tutorials.